never had the bond I wished for. I never had a role model, see. And she was never considered poor, but bonding for him was time and money. And she had a lot on her mind, and she wasted too much of her life, and she never had the time to watch me talk or listen to me whine. Cause I spent so much time on my feet, crying for death and hoping to sleep, always expecting it's all I should be when he did this to me. Cause I was raised by wolves. They all showed me how to be. They all showed me the road.
Chum, how delightful. Hold my wine. Thank you, darling. Thank you, darling. Thank you.